Helo, croeso pawb, Sam dwi. I am a writer of film, TV and theatre. I'm also part of the outreach and education team at Benny Cymru. Today we're going to be using place and character as the building blocks of a short piece of creative writing.
Sometimes when you're writing, it can be hard to know where to start. It can be really intimidating, but I think it's so important that everyone feels they can have a go and that their ideas are of as much value as anyone else's, because honestly, they are. So we're going to have a look at how we can combine things that we borrow from real life with those imagined details we can have fun creating from scratch. So let's grab that notebook and get going. As we go through this, it might be a good idea to pause the video as much as you want to give yourself time to complete each section. This is just going to be a whiz through on the instructions. First, place. We're going to think of somewhere that's familiar. By using a familiar place, we're going to be able to draw on all those details that we already have in our heads, using little observations that we make every day without trying. We're going to jot down a few things about our chosen place. Try and think about your different senses. So, what it looks like, what it smells like, what it feels like, what you can hear whilst you're there. For example, if I think about the beach near my house, I might think about things like breeze, openness, sand, cold, dogs barking, salt, white railings, empty benches. And if I think back to last summer, do I have chincha and ice cream? And is it wrong to get an ice cream 3 days in a row? Remember, no detail is too small or silly. I will always stand by that. It's the details that make your ideas unique to you. Next, we're going to imagine a character. It could be based off a real person or someone that you create entirely new. We're going to give them a name. Don't worry about it too much. First thing that pops into your head is absolutely fine. We're going to think about what they might do in a day. Do they go to school? Do they work? If so, where do they work? Are they studying? Retired? We're going to write down a few extra details about them, like age. Do they have a pet? Do they want a pet? Favourite flavour of ice cream? You're sensing a theme there. We're going to write down a few words to describe them. Anything you like. Are they funny, kind, noisy, dull, excitable, cheeky, naive, generous, brave, adventurous, and anything else that you might imagine about them? Then we're going to think about this person specifically in the location that you were thinking about earlier. Let's picture them there. What brought them there? Are they at home, on holiday? What time of day is it? Have they been here before? Are they alone or is someone with them? How do they feel about the place? Do they love it, or is there something about it that they don't actually like?
Amazing! Look at all the work you've done in just a few minutes. You've created a world and a person who lives within it. Now you can build on these ideas to create a poem, a short story, a monologue, a dialogue, anything you like. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to tell a story. It's your characters and your ideas and your story. Do drop us a message to let us know what you've created. I like working in this way because it allows us to get to know our characters a bit before we put them into a wider narrative. Anyway, I can't wait to hear your ideas. Diolch yn fawr iawn.